Welcome to our channel. Today we explore the fascinating properties of white pepper. This aromatic spice comes from the same plant as its better-known counterpart, black pepper. However, it has a distinct flavor and a number of properties that set it apart. In this video, we will discover its physical attributes, its chemical composition, and its health benefits. So, whether you are a food lover or simply curious about the nuances of spices, don't hesitate to watch this video all the way through. You will be glad you did. White pepper is obtained from ripe peppercorns that have been soaked, fermented, and the outer skin has been removed. This method of processing differentiates it from its black counterpart and makes it a versatile spice for a variety of culinary applications. This refined pepper contains several chemical compounds responsible for its flavor, aroma, and potential health benefits. Although the exact composition may vary slightly depending on factors such as origin, berry maturity, and processing methods, the following are some of the main compounds it contains. Piperine, this is the main component of this spice. It is responsible for its pungent and spicy flavor. It is also associated with most of the health benefits of white pepper. Essential oils. These oils contribute to the overall flavor profile of this spice, and arise during the drying and processing of the peppercorns. Antioxidants. Did you know that it contains a modest level of antioxidants? The presence of these compounds contributes to its potential health benefits, which we will discuss later. Minerals. It contains minerals such as manganese, iron, and calcium in small amounts. These minerals are essential for maintaining general health and bodily functions. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video. This can help us to show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's continue this educational adventure. What are the health benefits of white pepper? Over the years, this spice has been appreciated for its potential medicinal and health benefits. Here are 9 examples of its potential health benefits. It aids the digestion process. Its piperine component is believed to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, thus aiding in the breakdown of food and digestion. Anti-inflammatory properties. According to various studies, this spice has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it effective in treating inflammation-related conditions. It acts as an antioxidant. Some of the compounds in white pepper protect cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer. Promotes respiratory health. Due to the warming properties of this spice, it is believed to promote mucus flow and relieve congestion. Improves nutrient absorption. Combined with other foods, it can help maximize the absorption of certain nutrients. Relieves gastrointestinal discomfort. Its mild spicy flavor can have a soothing effect on the stomach, making it a popular ingredient used to treat mild digestive discomfort. Supports skin health. When incorporated into skin care products, it can help improve the health of the complexion by promoting a more vibrant and radiant appearance. Its mildly abrasive texture makes it suitable for use as an exfoliating agent in skin care products. In addition, its antioxidants can help fight free radicals and oxidative stress, which contribute to premature skin aging. Helps to control weight. Piperine's potential for weight control has been studied. It may help inhibit the formation of new fat cells and increase metabolic rate, potentially contributing to weight loss. Promotes mental acuity. Essential oils derived from this spice can be used in aromatherapy practices. It is sometimes incorporated into diffusers, massage oils, and personal care products for its invigorating and stimulating aroma. It is believed to promote mental alertness, increase energy, and lift the mood. But that's not all. Beyond its culinary uses, this spice has an important value in traditional medicine. Its powders and extracts can be used to create remedies for various health problems. In addition, It has been recognized for its potential to relieve arthritis and joint discomfort thanks to its warming properties. How to incorporate white pepper into your meals. Whether you're an aspiring home cook or a seasoned culinary artist, this versatile spice opens the door to creative experimentation. Its refined touch can transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences, showcasing the power of subtlety in the world of flavor. Feel free to add it to any of the following recipes. Soups and sauces. Its mild spiciness and delicate flavor make it an ideal complement to creamy soups and sauces. From velvety potato and leek soup to classic bechamel, a hint of this spice adds depth without overpowering the overall character of the dish. Light meats and seafood. When added to proteins such as poultry, pork, or seafood, it enhances the natural aroma of the protein while adding a mild heat to the flavor. Eggs and dairy dishes. Whether in scrambled eggs, omelets, or quiches, this aromatic spice pairs perfectly with eggs and dairy-based dishes. Its ability to blend perfectly with these ingredients creates a harmonious flavor. Rice and cereal-based dishes. From risottos to pilafs, it integrates perfectly with rice and cereal-based creations. Its mild pungency complements the texture and flavors of these dishes, resulting in a balanced and satisfying experience. Vegetables and salads. This spice is the perfect choice for those who wish to infuse a mild aroma into vegetables and salads. Its mild heat prevents the inherent freshness of the vegetables from being affected, allowing the flavors to shine through. Light-colored sauces. Its pale hue makes it the ideal choice for light-colored sauces where visual appeal is important. It disappears smoothly into the sauce while imparting its unique flavor, ensuring that the final presentation remains fresh. Bakery and bread. Believe it or not, a small amount added to certain bread recipes or baked treats can introduce an unexpected layer of distinctiveness that intrigues the taste buds. Wondering how to identify quality peppercorns that taste and smell good? Don't worry. We're here to guide you. Buying and storage tips. Choose white peppercorns that are uniform in color, from pale ivory to light beige. Avoid discolored corns, as they may indicate quality problems. Before buying any pepper already ground, check the expiration date to ensure freshness. Whole white peppercorns retain their flavor longer than ground pepper. If possible, buy it in small quantities to ensure that you use it while it is fresh. Always store it in an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. This will prevent moisture and air from affecting the flavor and aroma of the spice. Store the container in a cool, dry, and dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Light and heat can accelerate the loss of aroma. If stored properly, whole white peppercorns can keep their flavor for 2 to 3 years. In contrast, ground pepper has a shorter shelf life of about 6 to 12 months. The powdered form of this pepper can irritate the eyes, nose, and mouth. Therefore, always handle it with care to avoid contact with sensitive areas. Are there any side effects? Although generally safe, excessive consumption may cause some side effects. For example, people with sensitive stomachs or pre-existing digestive conditions may experience symptoms such as heartburn, stomach pain, and diarrhea. As with any dietary component, individual tolerance and sensitivity may vary. In some cases, allergic symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, swelling, or breathing difficulties have been reported. Therefore, it is always a good idea to listen to your body and make adjustments if you experience any adverse reactions. Also, if you have specific health problems or questions about consuming this spice, do not hesitate to consult a health professional for personalized advice. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with other cooking and health enthusiasts, and subscribe to receive more healthy culinary creations. Until we meet again, enjoy your time in the kitchen.